Hi, my name's Matt Franklin. I'm the Commercial Director here at Avasam, and I've got another new supplier for you today. So head across to the app and scroll down to suppliers that ship to the UK and have a look for supplier 267. They're a factory direct company from China, and they specialise in motorbike accessories. I don't have a motorbike, and I have never seen so many components and products and accessories and spare parts for motorbikes. So this might be something that you're interested in, or in general you're selling other car parts and you wanted to have a range of motorbike parts. Well, this is the supplier for you. And what does it mean to ship from China? Well, they're on 7 working day delivery. They're on a track service. The track service starts when the product reaches the UK, so roughly day 5 or 6. They're then handed across to the UK final mile courier service, which is usually every or Royal Mail. And then it's on a full track service all the way through to your customer, so you'll be able to get proof of delivery when that product has been delivered. So take a look through the products. Now, as I say, I'm no expert on motorbikes. I've selected a few products that might be of interest. Might not, but these are relevant products from what I can see from this supplier. First one is quite a general product that actually isn't just about motorbikes. It could be used for any sports or walking around. So it's just a fleece neck tube that can be used as a hat as well. I thought it was quite neat. Looks like it is suitable for anyone to use in all weathers. The imagery is pretty good. Their dimensions are there. Some good description. If you don't like the descriptions, use your Avasam AI tool to upgrade or optimize your information, and that is the product title and also the copy. So it's optimized to your customer base. But I thought that was quite a nice product to begin with. Then again, quite generic, but there's the full finger gloves, and there's a couple of options I saw when I was scrolling through the supplier, and whether this is for BMX or motorbikes. These look very rugged. Lots of different colorways there, and again different price points depending on the size. I like that it's actually got the touchscreen pad in there as well, so you can be using your... Now, I'm not sure what the rules and regs are in terms of using devices while you're on your bikes, whether it's a powered bike or a push bike, but in terms of Deliveroo drivers or just general people using GPS or their phones on a bike, well, it's got a touchscreen in the glove anyway, so even if you're just using it for normal use out and about, it's use to have there. So there you go. There's some information there about the product in the description. So that's the second product, and then the third product again is quite mass merchant. It's a cover for a bike, and again, it could be a scooter, it could be a motorcycle, it could be just a push bike or an e-bike. Again, prices to me look like they're pretty good. Different colours for this product as well, and some decent information down there. But again, formatting, use the tool, it'll reformat it in the right format for what you're using it for when you come to listing the product. So there's 3 picks there from a supplier of thousands and thousands of products. Supplier 267, again, motorcycle and bike accessories. That's it for today. Join me on the next video for another new supplier, and I'll speak to you soon. Thanks a lot. Bye. Why dropship with Avasam? Avasam is the UK's only multi-channel, fully automated dropshipping marketplace. We connect professional online sellers to brand owners and optimize sales via established e-commerce platform partners, such as eBay. Our sellers generate sales and handle front-end customer support for your brand. And we automate the order flow, payments, shipping instructions, inventory synchronization to ensure that all orders are reliably fulfilled. When you're on the platform, you'll see many products from 18 categories fitness, fashion, health and beauty, food, technology, across multiple brands. Avasam has earned multiple nominations and awards from 16 categories from recognised e-commerce and business institutions. Sign up or book a call today. Go to www.avasam.com, and if you're a supplier, go to suppliers and book a call with myself for a platform demo. If you're a seller or interested to be a seller, there's lots of resource on the platform, but have a look at the free trial and sign up today.